Alright, so this is not my pumpkin patch, but this is, well, I guess technically I have two pumpkin patches because these are growing like crazy. So I believe this is the pie pumpkin plant, and then this is also a pie pumpkin, which is also called a sugar pumpkin, but this one over here, these two went like crazy. And you see those nice dark green roots there? And then I believe over here is a Cinderella plant. Yeah, right down there. So these ones I planted way earlier than my other ones because I didn't have that plot down there, which we'll get to. But overall, they're looking really nice, and you see all these pretty flowers on here. I don't want to touch it, but look at all this. And this is like the saddest thing in the world because right here, this could have been a pumpkin, but that's okay. But we have a lot of buds on here, and I just weeded this whole thing and scooted these over. The zucchinis are not looking so good, so I just scooted it over to give these pumpkins more room to grow. So we're doing well, and I will take you to my actual pumpkin patch. Side note, if you want to take a peek at the chickens that are here, focus. We've got Clara. She's a Rhode Island Red, and I don't know what the other ones are. So I guess technically they're not my chickens, but they've gotten so big. Alright, and moving on. Alright, so we're looking at my pumpkin patch, like the big one, and everything has gotten so much bigger. So, like before, so like a jack-o'-lantern, this is also a jack-o'-lantern. Then we've got Cinderella, and a pie pumpkin. So I need to come through and pick up some of these weeds before they overrun the whole thing. But overall, we're doing really well. This one's a slowpoke, taking its sweet time, which is totally okay. But we're getting nice leaves here, and we look like we're doing well. So I can't wait till we get some flowers on these, hopefully soon. But I guess I can be patient. And not really much else to tell you other than the fact that they are growing. Oh, so we have a little tiny, never mind. But we've got some buds on here, or at least it looks like it. So, yeah, so maybe we'll have some fairy tale pumpkins. This one's leaning down, but I don't want to touch it too much. But this looks pretty green. You can't really tell too well on the video, but you know, like the last ones I showed you guys were pretty dark green. I'm pretty sure that means they're pretty healthy. Or very healthy. Alright, well, it's very hot out here, so I'm going to get off my phone. But I hope you enjoyed this pumpkin patch update, and hopefully I will start seeing some pumpkins soon.